Hello, good morning. Om Namah Shivaya. Standard 10, subject maths, chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Chapter number 4, quadratic equation. We know about quadratic equation. A, a polynomial, they have degree 2 and is called quadratic equation. In earlier standard, other in by earlier chapter, we also studied about quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in variable x is an equation of from ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equals to 0. If the a is equals to 0, then x square, ax square, they become 0. That's why equation is bx plus c is a linear equation, not a quadratic equation. That's why a is not equals to 0. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 equals to 0, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Where p of x is equals to 0, p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. Now, standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Clear, student? We know all the things. Now, in this chapter, we have studied how to solve the quadratic equation, solution of quadratic, different method of quadratic equation, solution quadratic equation. First exercise 4.1, check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. Check whether the followings are quadratic equation or not. Clear? Look at here. First one, x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2x minus 3. X plus 1 whole square is equals to 2x minus 3. Okay? So, x plus 1 whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 6. Clear? Now, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2x inside minus 2x minus 6 inside plus 6 is equals to 0. Now, plus 2x minus 2x cancel. That's why x square plus 6 plus 1, 7 is equals to 0. Compare with standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So, here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to 7. We have maximum power of degree of polynomial is 2. So, it is quadratic equation. So, yes, given polynomial is a quadratic equation. Clear, student? So, given polynomial is a quadratic equation. Look at example number 4th one, x minus 3 in bracket 2x plus 1 is equals to x in bracket x plus 5. First of all, solve it. LHS equals to RHS. X into 2x, they become 2x square, x into 1 plus x minus 3 into 2x, 3 to just 6x minus 3 is equals to x into x, x square plus 5x. Take all the equation in one side, 2x square, x minus 6x, then minus 5x left, minus 3, minus x square minus 5x is equals to 0. So, 2x square minus x square, then x square left, minus 5x minus 10x minus 3 is equals to 0. So, it is quadratic equation. So, given polynomial is a quadratic equation. Clear, student? Now, next one. Number 6. 6 x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole square. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole square. X square plus 3x plus 1 as it is x minus 2 whole square is equals to x square minus 4x plus 4. Take all the terms one side. X square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. So x square minus and plus are cancelled. 3x plus 4x, 7x. 1 minus 4 minus 3 left is equals to 0. Look at here. Compare with the standard form of quadratic. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. But we don't have x square term. That's why. So, given polynomial is not a quadratic equation. Given polynomial is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Okay. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you. As a homework you completed. Clear? Represent the following situation. Question number 2. Look at here. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. First, the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Look at here. The area of rectangular plot is given 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So, let's the breadth of rectangular plot is x meter. Clear, student? The breadth of rectangular plot is x meter. Look at here. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So, length is 2x plus 1 meter. So, length is 2x plus 1 meter. Twice, 1 more than twice its breadth. Now, the area of rectangular plot, we know the area. Therefore, area of rectangular plot is equals to length into breadth is equals to length is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x. Area is given. Area is 528 meter square. So, x into 2x square plus x into 1 x is equals to 528. Therefore, 2x square plus x 528 outside goes, then minus 528 is equals to 0 is our required quadratic equation. Clear, student? Now check second one. the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find integers. Two consecutive integers. Look at here, two consecutive. Let's first integer be x. Then consecutive integer of x be x plus 1. So the product of two consecutive integer is 306. Product of two consecutive integers, x into x plus 1 is equals to 306. Clear? So x into x, x square, x into 1, x minus 306 is equals to 0. It is our quadratic equation. When we solve this equation, then we get a two consecutive integers. It's our quadratic equation. Clear, student? Okay. So homework is solve exercise 4.1 yourself. Remaining questions clear? Okay. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.